Kia K5 Optima. Okay, install 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player. Okay, it's OEM socket plug and play. This is power socket plug and play. Okay, and add on a CAN bus to connect original sound setting. Okay, fully plug and play. Okay. You have to set the CAN bus setting, car setting, extra setting, password 8888. So you have to choose the model. Okay. Select simple soft SS Hyundai Kia 2011 K5 Rapid. Okay. So this is MCU update CAN bus setting for Kia K5 to connect original sound system. Okay, after restart, and steering control. Okay, so this is 10.1 inch big screen Android GPS with CAN bus OEM socket plug and play for Kia K5 2011 version Optima, installed by OneBiz, and video by Andy. Thank you.